Hi guys, welcome to another video. From Little to Simple. India is currently in the midst of a fintech revolution, the likes of which have never been seen before. Even though digital payments are the first thing that comes to mind when someone refers to the fintech revolution in India, and that's mainly due to the phenomenal success of UPI technology, which was built from scratch in India. UPI was just the beginning. It was the kickoff point for the revolution in India's fintech space. And today, India is undergoing a transformation in every aspect of finance, from spending to investing, lending, insurance, and more. Today's video is all about the companies that are at the forefront of India's fintech revolution. Each of these companies is actually creating new categories that didn't even exist just a few years ago. If you like this type of videos, then please subscribe to our channel and feel free to like and share this video with your friends. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn about the companies that are bringing a paradigm shift in India's fintech space. Now let's roll. It is almost impossible to talk about the fintech revolution in India without talking about Smallcase. Choosing the right stocks and building a profitable portfolio has always been the biggest barrier to entry for stock investing in India. And Smallcase solves this exact problem by turning portfolio investing on its head, offering curated portfolios of stocks that are based on a concept or an idea. Smallcase currently offers hundreds of expert curated portfolios, making investing accessible to everyone, and all for an ultra-nominal fee. It's also super easy and seamless to use. Groww Coin are the two apps that have completely transformed mutual fund investing in India. Before Groww Coin came into the picture, the only way to invest in mutual funds was through a brokerage firm, and they charged hefty commissions. On top of that, the choice of mutual funds was very limited. Groww Coin provide access to thousands of direct mutual funds, and that too for zero commission. If you're watching this video from India, then you probably remember how complicated and cumbersome the process of paying credit card bills used to be before CRED launched. CRED solved this problem and made it possible to pay your credit card bills with just a single click. Because CRED is accessible only to people with the best credit scores, they've also built a community of trustworthy individuals. They've smartly leveraged this community to launch their peer-to-peer investing and lending platforms, which have also been extremely successful. Before Navi came into the picture, health insurance in India was underappreciated. Navi completely changed this perception by fixing everything people hated about health insurance, all by leveraging technology. They made accessing and claiming health insurance extremely simple and seamless, attracting more and more people towards their platform. Until recently, investing in bonds in India was limited only to the super rich or the financially savvy. Wint Wealth changed this forever by democratizing bond investing, making it accessible to everyone. Now, with Wint Wealth, you can invest in bonds even with a small amount of capital. They've also made it super easy for companies to raise funds by issuing bonds instead of going to venture capitalists or angel investors. In fact, Slice recently raised a round of funding through Wint Wealth by issuing bonds, bypassing conventional VC funding routes. If Wint Wealth democratized bond investing, TradeCred has democratized invoice discounting, making it possible for everyone to invest in this asset class. Explaining the concept of invoice discounting is beyond the scope of this video, but do let us know in the comments if you'd like a full video on it. Invoice discounting is an excellent tool for short-term investing, offering minimal risk and guaranteed returns, and TradeCred has made this asset class accessible to the public. Grip Invest is perhaps the most unique company we've covered in this video. It allows you to invest in physical assets through a method called lease investing. Lease financing is a new concept in India, but it's on the rise, especially as more companies prefer leasing over buying their assets. A great example is Rento Mojo, which leases furniture for renting out instead of purchasing it. Grip Invest makes it possible for anyone to invest in lease-financed assets and reap the benefits. Until just a couple of years ago, it was almost impossible for Indian investors to invest in US stocks from India. Vested and INDmoney solved this problem, making it easy and seamless for Indian investors to access US markets. Interestingly, the biggest challenges they had to solve were regulatory, not technical or financial. And considering how complicated India's regulatory environment is, they truly deserve a standing ovation for pulling this off. There are a few more companies we couldn't cover in detail, but they definitely deserve a shout out. 12% Club, MoneyView, RazorPay. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you think we should have covered any other companies in this video, do let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, have a good one, guys.